this is the Kitchen Fairy with another recipe vlog, and you guessed right, this is another cookies recipe, but this is December, so I'm allowed to bake a lot of cookies for work colleagues, for classmates, for the neighbors, or for whoever we want to drop off the cookies. Anyways, for today's recipe, the cookies are coconut thumbprint with strawberry jam. You can use any kind of jam or preserve you like, but today I use strawberry jam. Check out the full video and I'll see you soon again. Bye! So for the dry ingredients, this is 1/4 cups of enriched flour with 2 teaspoons of baking soda, a generous pinch of salt, and 2/3 cup of desiccated coconut. This is the medium one. They have large kind of flakes, and this one is the desiccated medium, and this is unsweetened. We're just gonna mix this. The one that's beeping is our pancake maker. My husband is making waffle next to me. Now for the wet ingredients, this is 1/2 cup of demerara style brown sugar and 1/2 cup of unsalted butter. We're just gonna blend it up. Once it's pale and creamy, add 4 tablespoons of liquid whole egg, and we're just gonna mix it until just combined. So not overly mixed. And then we're also gonna add 1 teaspoon of Mexican vanilla blend. You know me, I love Mexican vanilla blend. Now we're gonna add in our dry ingredients gradually. You can use the mixer again, but in low speed. Once mixed, scoop it with ice cream scoop or cookie dough scoop and form them into balls and place them directly on your baking pan. Now make indentation on the center of each balls. You can use your thumb, you can use spoon, whichever you like, and then we're gonna fill them with jam. Like so. So the jam that you're gonna put, it's up to you. It can be raspberry, strawberry, lemon, whatever. But as long as not overfill like too many, just small drop of jam. Bake them at preheated 350 Fahrenheit for 12 to 15 minutes or until golden brown.